Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek White Saltwater Test Strips. What is AquaChek White Saltwater Test Strips? Ideal for customers who have salt generator systems. In just minutes, AquaChek White titrators measure salt, sodium chloride, levels from 400 to 7,000 ppm. With appropriate salt levels, you can rest assured that your salt generator will be able to produce the correct amount of chlorine to keep the water clean and free of contaminants. For a clean and healthy pool, test the water at each end a minimum of twice a week. Product benefits: accurate, easy to use. Simply dip into the water. Usage directions. Step 1. Fill a small vial with a sample of pool or spa water. Step 2. Insert the lower end of the strip into the water and wait until the yellow completions string turns dark. Step 3. Compare the results on the strip to the number scale on the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.